Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dwi Kusumaningrum and I'm from 4D, and this is my teaching practice video on micro teaching course. And in this opportunity, I choose procedure text as my learning material. Okay, I will start and happy watching. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well, before our start our lesson today, it will be better if we are praying together. And for this time, I want to choose Pepi to lead our prayer today. Pepi, please.
Attention please. Pray begin. Finish. Greeting. Good morning, Miss.
Okay, good morning everybody. Okay everyone, how are you today?
I'm fine, Miss. And you?
I am fine too. Thank you for asking me. Okay, before our start our class, please tidy up your chair and your table and make sure there is no trash on the floor. And if there is, please take it and throw into rubbish dump. Okay class, have you finished clean your table and your chair?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, and now I will check your attendance list first.
Yes,
There is no missing, right? Yeah, I hope. And the first is Fefi Novita.
Present, Miss.
Fefi, you look so happy today. It's
Thank you,
great.
Miss. Thank you.
Okay, next. Siti Mutmainah.
Present, Miss.
Siti, why you look so sad today?
Nothing, Miss.
Is everything alright? Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, don't sad and keep spirit.
Okay, Miss.
And next, Rudy Suprianto. Where is Rudy?
Sick, Miss.
Oh, Rudy sick. Okay, I see. And I hope he gets well soon. Okay, finish. And now, as usual, our motivation today is if you think you can, you can. Who know about this motivation? No? Okay. So, our motivation today is it means if you think you can, you can instill this principle into yourself. So, if you want to do something or if you have problem, you can remember this motivation and you say to yourself, if I think I can, I can. And so that you can, because you can do everything what you want, and every problem must have solution. Do you understand, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Okay, last week we have to learn about narrative text. Who still remember what is narrative text? Please raise your hand. Yes, baby, please.
Narrative text is a story with problematic complexities or events and tries to find solutions to solve these problems.
Okay, good answer, Pepi. So, narrative text is text which is have, of course, in narrative text always have problem and have solution. And now, what is the purpose of narrative text? Who know? Please raise your hand. Yes, Siti, please.
The purpose of narrative text is to entertain the reader with a story.
Yes, right. So the purpose of narrative text is to entertain the reader. And for example, a narrative text is fairy tale. Yes, fairy tale is narrative text. And now, narrative text have general structure. The general structure of narrative text, the first is
Orientation.
yes, orientation is where and when the story takes place and introduce the character. And the second is
Complication.
yes, complication or problems always happen in narrative text. And the third is
Resolution.
yes, resolution are how the problem is resolved. And the last is
Moral message.
yes, moral message or advice from the author. Okay, good answer everyone. I'm so happy because you still remember our material last week. And as I said last week, today we will learn about procedure text. When I say about procedure text, what do you think? What you think when I said about procedure text? Please raise your hand. Anybody know? Because you have already learned about procedure text when you are in junior high school. Now we know about procedure text. Please raise your hand. Yes, Pepi?
Procedure text is about how to make something nice.
Yes, good answer, Pepi. How about the others? Who want to add Pepi answer? No? Oh, it's okay. So, please listen carefully. So, procedure text is text designed to describe how something is achieved through a sequence of action or step. Or, the main point of procedure text is the step. So, everything text has steps is a procedure text. And as procedure text have characteristics, have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So procedure text have 6 characteristics. The first is simple present or subject plus verb 1, and then the second characteristic is common sentence, or for example, add to spawns, cook over, head, and etc. And then always using action verb. For example, like add, pat, turn. In sentence, maybe like pat 2 spoon of sugar, and etc. And procedure text. In procedure text, we can use numbering like first. The first is, and then the second is, the third is, like that. Okay, the next is conjunction. Conjunction like next, then, and while. And maybe you can use numbering or you can use conjunction in every steps. And the last is adverbs. For example, write carefully and slowly. You can add the adverbs in the sentence of in every step. And after characteristics, procedure text also have types. There are 3 types in procedure text. The first is how to operate or how to use something. For example, how to use camera, and then maybe how to use rice cooker, how to use computer, and etc. And the second is provides instruction for carrying out certain activities. It's like how to play guitar, how to make noodle, or how to make coffee, and etc. And the last is the types of related to tips for living life. So, example is how to successful in life. Yes, the types of types for living life include to procedure text, because types for living life have some steps. And for example, how to successful in life, how to learn, how to make you happy, and etc. Okay, and the last is general structure of procedure text. Procedure text have 4 generic structure. Please, Pepi, read. The first is
Goal.
goal or aim. It's usually in form of a title or description of what will be made or done. And then the second is city, please read. Materials. Materials is contains a list of material and tools for completing the procedure text. And the third is
Steps.
steps. Steps is the step section contains the series of steps to take in a sequence. And the last is result. So result is of a series of steps have been taken. And please attention that not all types of procedure text have material. Because why? Because in third types we don't need material. And here tips for living life. Tips for living life don't need material. For example, how to successful for life. It's need material? No, of course no. Because it's just tips. Okay guys, do you understand my explanation about procedure text?
Yes, Miss.
Is it clear?
Yes.
And to make you more understand, here I will practice the procedure text, and here I have wireless mouse, and I will practice how to use wireless mouse. Please listen carefully. And here and the material we need here is just wireless mouse and computer, of course. Okay, the first step is please plug your receiver mouse into your USB computer. You can see here. So you must find your USB computer and then you plug in the receiver mouse. And after that, your mouse must have batteries. And the last is turn on your computer and your wireless mouse is ready to use. Okay, is it clear guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, and to make you more understand, here I have one sachet cocoa drink and I will explain to you how to make cocoa drink. Please listen carefully. So, how to serve cocoa drink is the first pour Wings Food cocoa drink Galgian chocolate into a cup and then add 100 milliliters of hot water, and the last is mix well the cocoa drink and cocoa drink ready to serve. And the material we need here is just one sachet cocoa drink, 100. Aku bilang 100 apa sachet? Sachet kan? And the material we need here is one sachet cocoa drink and then 100 milliliters hot water and of course a cup or a glass. Okay, and now I will ask you to explain about how to make sari mie gelas and how to make energen. You must explain like me, and for how to make sari mie gelas, I want to Pepi to explain, and how to make energen, I want to Siti to explain. Please. Okay, Pepi, are you ready to explain?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please. And another, please listen carefully and don't busy.
Okay, I will explain how to make sari mie gelas. The first, put sari mie gelas into a glass or cup,
Okay, good. Next.
and then add seasoning.
Yes.
Next, pour hot water 150 cc.
Yes.
Let stand for 2 minutes.
Yes.
After that, stir until evenly distributed. And the last, sari mie gelas ready to be served.
Okay, good, Pepi. Please give applause for Pepi. Okay, and Pepi, what material we need to making sari mie gelas?
The material is a glass or cup,
Yes, and then?
1 pack sari mie gelas,
Okay, good.
and the last 150 cc hot water.
Okay, good, Pepi. And now, I want to Siti to explain how to make energen.
Okay, Miss. I will explain how to make energen. The first, prepare a cup.
Yes.
The second, pour energen into cup. Kayaknya kalau baca santai gitu enak gitu pas baca gini. Aku deg-degan. Nggak kelihatan kan pas kamu gitu.
Enggak.
Udah lah.
Mukamu tuh nggak kelihatan sini.
Dah.
Ya, paling dari tak.
Okay, Miss. I will explain how to make energen.
Okay, please.
The first, prepare a cup. The
And then?
second, pour energen into cup.
Okay.
Next, put a teaspoon of sugar or as your tasty into the cup.
Okay.
Add 100 milliliter warm water and then stir well. The last, a cup of energet is ready to drink.
Okay, Siti, thank you for your explanation. So there are 6 steps in how to make energen. Please give applause for Siti. Okay, Siti, and what material we need to make energen drink?
A cup or glass,
Okay.
1 sachet energen,
Okay.
1 teaspoon of sugar,
Okay, and glass.
100 milliliter warm water.
Okay, good. Okay, I think you understand well because procedure text is the easiest material because the characteristic and the general structure of procedure text are very easy for us to recognize and to understand. And now I will give you paper, and here you must do your text. And okay, before that I want you to please stay together with your partners, and here the text here you do it with your partners or with your group. So there are 4 members in one group. Okay, already guys, have you find your groups? Okay, good. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 group in class. And now I will share the paper for you. Please take it. Okay. Okay, have you got the paper? Yes.
Yes, miss.
Okay, good. And now look at your paper. So here is sample procedure text about a short message service or SMS. And here you are asked to identify about the title, and then you must find communicative purpose, and also clarifying material and the step. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, miss.
Okay, any questions so far? Yes, Siti?
Where we answer it, miss?
Okay, please so to answer, you just write on your paper and then make the answer in different paper. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, miss.
Okay, good. So let's do it. I will give you 10 minutes. Okay, have you finished, guys?
Yes, miss.
Okay, good. Okay, and now let's answer together. And starting from group 1, please, what is your answer about the stable title of this text?
How to send a short message service?
Sorry, I can hear you. Can you try with a louder voice?
How to send a short message service?
Okay, good. And then next is group 2. What is communicative purpose of this text?
The communicative purpose of the text is the communicative object of the text procedure is to provide instructions on the steps to send an SMS correctly and in sequence.
Okay, good. It's the communicative purpose of this text. And for group 3, please mention it the material of this text.
Just cell phone, miss.
Okay, so good answer, right? So from this text, just need cell phone to send short message service. Okay, and the last is the important question because this is about the step. Okay, and I want to group 4 to answer it. Please group 4. What can you mention it the step to send a short message service?
Number 1. There are 5 steps on send a message.
Yes.
It is the first. Click the message button or click application to message and create.
Yes, and then
Second, enter the phone number or email address of the SMS recipient.
and then the third.
The third, type a SMS message. SMS message are typically 160 characters or less. If you send many characters, you send a speech. The fourth, click send to send your SMS. And the last, Verify that your message was sent by checking your sent items book.
Okay, good group 4. Okay, thank you group 4. And good and great answer everyone. I'm so proud of you. And give applause for us. Okay, and now please collect your papers to my desk for I will give your score. And remember to write your name or your member groups in paper. Okay guys, if you're still confused with our material today, you can ask me. So, any questions so far?
No, Miss.
Okay, good, because I think you understand well. And now I will make a summary of our lesson today. Or maybe one of you can help me to to conclude our material today, please.
No, Miss.
Not, no? Oh, it's okay. So, please listen carefully. Okay, all. So, procedure text is text which is explain about how to make, how to operate, or how to something. So, procedure text is about
the steps, Miss.
Okay, good. So, the main point of procedure text is about the step. And remember that in procedure text, we are always using simple present or verb.
Verb 1.
Okay, verb 1. And there are 4 general structure in procedure text. The first is
goal,
and then the second is
materials,
okay, next,
steps,
and the last is
result.
Okay, remember the 4 of general structure in procedure text. Okay, so I think to make it clear our lesson today, for next week, I want you to practice in class about procedure text. So you must practice with your groups, and the group still same as a current group. And remember that for next week, I want you to choose the procedure text, the types of procedure text, which is using tools, material, and ingredient. So you must. So the title of your project is how to make blah blah blah. For example, how to make coffee, how to make noodle, or how to make. It's up to you. You're free to choose your title. Don't forget, next week you must bring your equipment, tools, or material what you need, and maybe you can practice first in home, and you must memorize the steps of your material. And the important things here is that the sequence of the step is clear and don't take too long time. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Yeah, you can choose something easy and simple. So please cooperate with your friend. You can discuss together, and I will see the result next week. And remember, the last point is that your practice score next week I will input into your practice score for this semester. For that, please do your best. Okay, any questions so far?
No, Miss.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, all. I think that's all. I think enough for our discussion today. And good luck for next week. Don't forget your project. And thank you for your attention and your participate in this class today. I'm so happy because all of you have participated in our learning. Let's close our class today by saying hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, I'm so sorry for my mistake and my weakness. See you next week and keep spirit and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I think that's all my teaching practice video on micro teaching course. And I'm so sorry for my mistake and my weakness. And thank you for watching. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.